Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you rename a video on iPhone. So guys, to rename a video on iPhone, at first you need to go to your photos and select the video that you want to rename. Just like as I selected this video, if I want to rename it, click the bottom left side this share icon. After that, scroll down and here you can see save to files. Click on it. And after clicking it, in the bottom here you can see the file name. If you just click on it and you can just rename it and click the top right save. It may take a while to save this video, so go back and check your files. Here you can see the video name has changed. As you can see, I have changed it to bike tour and it has changed to bike tour. So guys, that's how you can change it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.